What's up, Overlanders? Today we're doing rock sliders. Super stoked. Thank you 4x Innovations for making a great product.
Absolutely.
Amir's gonna help me.
I'm gonna help.
My dad's gonna weld.
Jordan's gonna weld.
Excited. Let's get started. We're going to start with moving this X-ray system out from the frame a little bit, give us room to when it's time to start welding. So I'll just kind of unbolt that, pull it away, shim it, whatever. So a piece of wood will do just fine. Wedging the X3s, I don't even know what this little cylinder is, but just gotta wedge that out from the frame a little bit. That wood will hold it out 1.5 inches or so, 2 inches. Okay, all done for the day. That was a little bit of welding. Gonna have to paint it tomorrow or the next day. There'll be a little bit of rust, but it should wipe right off. Well, guess I'll see you in a day or two. Okay, back at it again. Been a couple days. I'm getting ready to start primer and paint. I'm all masked off, ready to go pretty much, so we're jumping right back in. Now before painting, after welding everything together, the next thing I had to do was I had to move and adjust all of my X-Reese suspension line. If you don't know what X-Reese is, it pretty much ties the shocks together on the vehicle. So there's like a hydraulic line that runs down under the rocker. But what I had to do is I had to bend that line. What happened was where the bars got welded on, these triangles up here, these support triangles, got in the way of this line. So I pretty much just stuck a piece of wood up in there, pulled it out, I wedged wood here, pushed down with wood on this side, and just kind of reshaped this hose. Which was a pretty nerve-wracking process because this X-ray stuff, if you get one little puncture in the line, anything like that, it is not cheap to replace. Well, when it's time to replace, I'm going to be switching everything out and getting rid of the X-rays. But if you keep the X-rays, it's like $1,200 or something just to, I don't know, put new fluid in the line. But anyway, look at that. It's pretty. Ready for paint. I'm going to paint it black and then put a top layer of bed liner. where your feet go, so that's not too slippery when it's wet. So we're all done with the black paint. We're gonna kind of let that dry, and then we're gonna put just a top coat of bed liner to give it some texture where your feet go. Because we'll be standing up on this, you know, to get the tent out and all kinds of things. So we just want to make sure that we've got plenty of traction, and the bed liner will help with that. So anyway, okay, so it's been a while. Not to you, but for me, I made the first part of this video a couple months ago. But I wanted to make sure I had the sliders for a while before finishing the video. I've had them for a few months, 2-3 months. They're great. I love them. 4x Innovations does a great job. They're good sliders. The only thing that I have to say is if you do bed liner like I did, the rocks and things from the trail and the road will come up and chip the bed liner off the bottom of the sliders. So every once in a while you might need to do a new coat, maybe sand off a little bit of surface rust, but it's nothing crazy. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and we'll see you on the trails.